Hi everybody, it's Jim here. I'm back with another tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to make your own milk tea at home. Without further ado, let's get started. Gather all the ingredients. We have tea bag, tapioca pearls, and milk. So let's go ahead and cook the pearls. First, pour water in a pot. Place it on the stove and bring it to a boil on high heat. Next, add the pearls on the boiling water cautiously. Reduce the heat to medium and cook for 20 minutes, occasionally stirring to prevent them from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Now, transfer the cooked tapioca pearls on a mesh strainer to drain the excess syrup. Keep the syrup in a separate bowl. You can also add brown sugar if you like. When you're done, set it aside and let's proceed with the tea. In a large mug with 2 cups of hot water, soak the tea bag in it and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the tea bag and add 1/2 cup of milk. Then stir it well. Finally, we are now on the final part, which is putting all the ingredients together. It's assembly time. Grab a glass and dump some pearls in it. To make it look aesthetic, get the syrup and pour it close to the lip of the glass and let it slide to the bottom. As it slides, it will leave streaks of caramel, creating this trippy tiger stripe-like ripple. Then fill the glass with our tea mixture. Lastly, add ice. So that's it, our homemade milk tea.